We are connection between human creativity and the desire of man to overcome obstacles and push limits. We are the Czech railway industry, a unit which combines human skills with state-of-the-art technologies and creates solutions for a sustainable mobility. Representatives of the Czech railway industry build on a long-standing tradition and in particular invest in the development of new innovative products and purchases of advanced technologies. "200 years of the Czech railway industry's tradition is based on the production of our world-famous railway wagons and locomotives. The Ringhofer railway cars and steam engines produced by CKD and Skoda Plzeň are especially renowned all over the world. Companies associated in the ACRI association have a major share in deliveries for the Czech railway system. Rails, switches, bridges, and other constructions are the main part of the railway infrastructure. Traffic safety is always the most important concern in railway transport. The integral parts of infrastructure are the systems that guarantee traffic safety, meaning control command and signaling systems, both national and European ETCS. Member companies of ACRI develop, manufacture, repair, and modernize rolling stock. Experienced engineers and latest technology enable efficient production of premium electric units, locomotives and wagons, trolley buses, metro trains, and trams. An emphasis is placed on modern design, reliability, and safety as well as on comfort. The railway industry system as a whole would not carry on without component suppliers. These components are incorporated into functional units dedicated for both the passenger and freight transport. The applied research, development, and testing of all rail vehicles and their parts result in new products that increase the speed, safety, comfort, and efficiency of railway. All products comply with strict European standards and legislation. Czech railway industry companies are successful exporters. The share of exports in their production is nearly 60% over the long term. Low-floor trams, trolley buses, and hybrid vehicles for environmentally friendly public transport are in operation in a number of European cities. Electric trains for long-distance, regional, and suburban transport improve the quality and safety of travel significantly. In addition to the Czech Republic, our metro trains are operated in Russia and newly will be in Poland. Also, manufacturers of individual components are able to reach a good market position and their products can be identified in vehicles, train sets, and other transport facilities around the world. Czech signaling and interlocking systems are operated in CEE countries as well as in Asia. The implementation of information systems has been successful within Europe. Due to its quality, the Czech railway industry belongs to one of the most desired suppliers in the Czech Republic, the countries of the European Union, and beyond. Due to the long-standing tradition of the railway industry, together with technology innovations and premium products, our companies are among the leaders of this dynamically developing industry. ACRI, Association of the Czech Railway Industry.